Phase 1 Vehicle Discovery.
Wow, I can't believe it. A Prevost H345 hidden out here all this time. This Prevost luxury motorhome has been forgotten out here for years. The rust coverage is nearly total. We're looking at deep pitting around the wheel arches, which means significant panel replacement will be necessary. There's history here, Stevs. This thing deserves a second chance.
Recovery team, this is Whitfield. We have the motorhome secured at the clearing edge, just past the forestry path. Visibility is dropping fast in the mist. We need extraction immediately.
All right, gentlemen, she's right up there. We need to secure the front axle first.
Understood. Bring those chains over here.
Inspection.
Wow. The corrosion here is extensive. This is definitely going to complicate the restoration timeline. The engine is going to need a complete rebuild.
We're getting continuity here, but the voltage is unstable. That confirms the wiring harness needs a complete overhaul.
Almost every system needs to be rebuilt from scratch.
The corrosion here is extensive. It's eaten right through the housing and compromised the sealant underneath. This is a bigger job than I expected, but worth every hour. Based on the assessment, our priority repairs are the engine, the main frame structure, the hydraulic systems, and the interior cabin. Oh wow, that just crumbled. We're gonna need a whole new section here.
Okay, priority items. Chassis panel corrosion is severe, and we definitely need to replace the left-hand brake precision components before we move it.
Right, Prevost Parts Manual, page 4B. Confirming the delivery date for the engine components is set for Thursday.
Perfect.
Inspection complete, Tempuade. Now we take it apart piece by piece. Every wheel is coming off for a full inspection. Now let's rebuild the mechanical heart of this machine.
The carbon buildup isn't ideal, and you can clearly see the wear patterns.
Now the bodywork begins.
Every surface needs to be perfectly smooth.
Now we let it cure.
Clear coat for that Saxture kind. Clear coat for that showroom shine.
Finally, interior detailing ends now.